Chism Automation's ultrasonic welding robots with trademarked OPTEWELD technology provide fast and reliable assembly of plastic components. Toolless changeover allows for quick change of fixtures and flexible manufacturing of multiple products. Contoured fixtures nest the parts securely while protecting the surface finish. A vision sensor confirms the presence and location of all components. Chism Automation's OPTEWELD technology allows for automated parameter and pressure adjustment between each weld. This flexibility provides an excellent set of tools for difficult applications and thickness variation. A Vortex booster allows for short cycle times and efficient cooling of the horn. An analog depth sensor confirms proper weld depth. A second ultrasonic tool allows for a larger variety of products without the need for a tool changer. After the robot completes all operations, a vision sensor confirms weld positions and completion. Contact Chism Automation for professional-level solutions for automated assembly.